Skipuli. Welcome back to our vocabulary review. Today's chapter 3, and remember, it's the important one because after this chapter, we're going to have our first test. So really be listening today and thinking about the pictures as we go. It's going to be important for your test. Let's look at our PowerPoint just for a second before we start though. Remember, on the test, these things are going to be important. Knowing the difference between a definition, like laugh, and a derivative, like deride or ridicule. How many principal parts does each thing have? And yes, notice this chapter, we're going to meet some boys. I know you girls have been waiting for some masculine words, so we're going to meet the puers in our story. Then we're going to play another fun game. And lastly, we'll go to our parts of speech. Remember, these are usually extra credit on the test, but we've been talking about nouns and verbs particularly. So please pay attention to those on the website. They won't be on the vocabulary PowerPoint. You'll have to look those up yourself. So we're getting ready to go. Be sure you're listening, paying attention to what color it is. Remember, blue is going to be boys or masculine things. So here we go. Listen carefully.
Puer, pueri, masculine. Puer, pueri, masculine. Puer, pueri, masculine. Weir, weary, masculine. Weir, weary, masculine. Weir, weary, masculine. Servus, servi, masculine. Servus, servi, masculine. Servus, servi, masculine.
Clamo, clamare. Clamo, clamare. Clamo, clamare. Ridio, ridere. Ridio, ridere. Ridio, ridere.
Laboro, laborare. Laboro, laborare. Laboro, laborare.
Cado, cadere. Cado, cadere. Cado, cadere.
Gemo, gemere. Gemo, gemere. Gemo, gemere. Multus, multa, multum. Multus, multa, multum. Multus, multa, multum. Solus, sola, solum. Solus, sola, solum. Solus, sola, solum. Iratus, irata, iratum. Iratus, irata, iratum. Iratus, irata, iratum. Qui. Qui. Idem, eadem, idem. Idem, eadem, idem. Idem, eadem, idem. In horto. In horto. In horto. In vilis rusticis. In vilis rusticis. In vilis rusticis. Subito. Subito. In piscinam. In piscinam. In piscinam.
Abite molesti. Abite molesti. Abite molesti.
I hope you liked our little slideshow today of the vocabulary words. I really liked that last one. Get away, you pests. Of course, Davis is not talking about the pests. He's actually talking about the boys because they bug him. If you can remember that, bug him, pest, get it? Hopefully you'll remember abite molesti. Okay, as we've talked about each time, it's important for you also to pronounce the words. Hopefully you're doing that as they're on the PowerPoint. But let's try that one more time. I'm going to say the word once. You'll see it on the screen. And practice it with me if you would. I know it sounds silly when you're doing that, but it really helps you to kind of get it into your mind. So are you ready? Here we go. Girls, especially this first one, let me hear you. Puer. Puer. Good job. Qui. Qui. Say qui. Eadem. Eadem. That's kind of a hard one. Just means the same. Remember that same picture of the two girls. Think of twins maybe. So eadem. Can I hear you? Good. In horto. In horto. Did you say that? Good job. We talk about horticulture. Might be a derivative from that. Our next one, clamant. This is what you hear. It's a big noise or a shout, clamor. So clamant. You say it. Clamant. Next word, redent. Redent. It's like, ha ha ha, you're laughing. You are redent. Weir. This means man. Remember, our V is pronounced like a W, so weir. Servus, same V. Servus. Let me hear you. Servus. Did I hear you? Did you say your V correctly? Optime. Last word on this slide, multi. Multi. Think of the word multiply. Many, many, many. So there are your first 10. Let's go for our second slide. These are the last ones. Remember on our test next week.